We have a theorem 6.6. Somebody read it.
Lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other.
Lines which are parallel to
The same lines
the same line
are parallel to each other.
are parallel to
Each other.
textbook code one. Keep it here. Okay. Everybody has the textbook. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಓವರ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಬರತ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬಾ. Now he will read statement once again. I will try to explain it. Read.
Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರೋ ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಹ ಓದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್
Lines
ರೀಡ್
which
ದಟ್.
lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other.
See here, this line is parallel to this line. If I introduce one more line here, if this line is parallel to this line, if this line is parallel to this line, then this line will be parallel to this also.
Yes.
Yes or no? So lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to one another. Getting? And if I insert one more line here, so like this it will keep on increasing. If this is parallel to this, okay, then definitely this also will be parallel to this. So this will keep on continuing. Any doubts?
Yeah.
Once again, if I have two lines, first this is parallel to this, okay, and I introduce one more line. If I tell if this line is parallel to this line, then this line will be definitely parallel to this also. Parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ they will never meet. ಕೇಳುವಲ್ದೆ ಮುಂದ್ ಬಾ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೈಕ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಾತಿದ್ದ ಅನ್ಸೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದ ಓಕೆ if this line is parallel to this line, first we have two lines BD ಕಾಲ್ ಬರತೈತಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, see here, sit quiet first. If this line is parallel to this line, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು parallel ಇತ್ತು, they will never meet. If you introduce straight ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ they will never meet. ಇದರ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, and I will tell that this line is parallel to this line. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು parallel ಇತ್ತು. If this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, then this will be parallel to this also. ಇಷ್ಟ ಹೇಳತ್ತಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಯತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಹಾಕೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಹಾಕೈತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ. That's what they are saying. Take it. Write that sentence and take this diagram. And you can write AB, CD, EF. See here in writing I will show. Stop writing. If AB is parallel to EF, then okay, and if AB is parallel to CD is also parallel to EF. Therefore AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Over. Take it. Simple. If this line is parallel to this line, okay, and if I introduce one more line here, If this line is only parallel to this line, then this line will be definitely parallel to this. So everything are parallel. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to AF. Okay, next. Little bit confusing theorem. Record लगा देता. Okay, next. Read. Exercise 6.2, first sum. Everybody open the textbook. This is Z. Can anybody tell me what are X and Z?
Vertically opposite angle.
What are X and Z? Do you guys remember alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles? If I have two lines, if I have two parallel lines, and if I have a line cutting them, this is alternate interior angles. Remember, if this is 30 degree, this also will be alternate interior angles. Okay, so if X is 30 degrees, Z also will be first one sorted out. So X is equal to Z, both are same. Second point, X plus Y will be equal to X plus Y will be equal to Y.
Adjacent angles.
Adjacent angles. Angles on the same side. See here. If I have two parallel lines again, in two parallel lines, if a line cuts them, in the interior angles, this angle A and this angle B, they both are in the interior side. They both are in the interior side. So if you add this angle plus this angle, it will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus B will be equal to 180 degrees. ತಿಳಿತಿನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಐತಪ್ಪ. Okay, think this line is parallel to this line. This is parallel. This has cut that line. If I add this angle plus this angle, it will be equal to 180. Adjacent angles. So angle X plus angle Y is equal to, and second point I know angle X is equal to angle Z because alternate interior angles. Okay, that is what I am going to use and do. ನೀವು ನೆನಪಾರ್ಗೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಪ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Because this topic we use till 10th standard. Read given.
If AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF. Next.
Okay. CD parallel to
EF. And Y raised to Z is equals to 3 raised to 7.
Y is to Z.
Y
Is to Z is equal to
3 is to 7.
3 is to 7.
Find X.
Find X. So I should find X. Actually, I should find all X, Y, and Z. Okay. Proof. Now you guys should tell me first. Whenever East will come, what I said yesterday? Take as X. But here already X, Y, Z is given. If I take X here also, it will be confusing. So I will take A. Okay. I will take A. So Y is to 7. Y is to Z is equal to. I will take 3A is to 7. Any doubts?
No.
So how much is our Y? Y is and Z is. Any doubts?
No.
So first I will write that. So my Y is equal to and Z is equal to. Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts? No. I said that X plus Y is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. Leave that. First angle X is equal to.
Angle Z.
So correct. So first X is equal to Z. I will write Y. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. If I have two parallel lines, if this line cuts this will be alternating to this one. Alternate. ಕಾಣತಿತ್ತು alternate ಆಗತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Either this will happen or this will happen. Getting alternate interior, alternate exterior means it will be like this. Exterior. This and this exterior ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. If this is 30 degree, this also will be. Okay, so alternate interior is happening. See here. Correct. Another alternate interior. Why I wrote alternate interior? AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to. Then AB will be parallel to. CD will be parallel to EF. Theorem, last theorem. Just now I taught that I have used, and I have written this. Any doubts? Okay. So I will use this further now. Okay. Remember, x is equal to z. Now, x plus y is equal to how much? Y? Adjacent angles. Now, instead of x, can I write it as z? Instead of x, x is equal to what? So, z plus y is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of z? What is the value of y? Is equal to 7a plus 3a is equal to a is equal to 180 by 10, 18 degree. Easy. ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. After getting a, x is equal. Now I should find x. X is equal to what? X is equal to, first I should find z. Z is equal to 7a. 7 into how much? Fast, madre. 7 into 18. 126 degrees. And y is equal to 3a. 3 into 18. 18 3s are 54 degrees. So first x is equal to z. So x will be equal to 126 degrees. Any doubts? Any doubts? Once again I will tell you. First x is equal to z by alternate interior angles. X is equal to z. So z plus y will be equal to 1 degree. You will get 10a is equal to 180. You will find a first. After finding a, you can do the remaining things. X, y, z you can find. Any doubts? Any doubts? Till sampark. Take it. Next one. Any doubts on this one? Okay, next sum. Sit quiet. This sum is very, very easy. Okay. Read. Given. ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Read.
If AB is parallel to
ಯಾರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾರ ಗಪ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ. Sit quiet. ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗೆ ಓದ್ಕೊ. Read.
if AB is parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular to CD.
Correct. EF is perpendicular to
CD.
see here, perpendicular meaning this EF, this line is perpendicular to CD means here 90 degree formation will happen. Here also 90 degrees is there. Here also 90 degrees is there. Okay. Understood? Perpendicular meaning? Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay. 90 degree formation will happen. Next.
And angle GED is equal to 126 degree.
Angle GED is equal to
126 degree.
See, many students will not understand this. Angle G E D. So this whole angle is how much?
126.
If this whole angle is 126 degree, how much is this angle? GEF?
126 minus 90.
How much? 36 degree. Geometry is what you see and tell. Getting? If you just figure it out, you can tell. The whole angle GED is 126 degree. In this, remove this part FED. FED is 90 degree. 126 minus 90, 36 degree. Any doubts? Oh, you can borrow Rishabh. Nialu. Patanu. Already. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Read the. Now read the question. Find.
Angle AGE,
One by one, we'll find angle AGE,
angle GEF,
angle GEF,
angle FGE.
FGE. Now, before solving, first you should understand what you should do. Then you should solve. One by one, we'll see. Angle AGE. Where is angle AGE? AGE. This angle. Can anyone tell me how much is this angle? How much is angle AGE?
36. 126.
Huh? Why? Very good. Alternate interior. See, don't see this line. Don't see FE. Just see like this. There are two lines. We have AB. We have CD. We have this line. That is G. This is G. This is E. Correct. Angle GED. Angle GED. Can you see here? Angle GED is equal to 126 degree. If this is 126 degree, then this also will be. That is angle AG. Getting? So this angle, this whole angle is alternating to this angle. So automatically this is equal to 126 degree. Any doubts? Okay, so directly I can equate it by alternate interior. Next, GEF. GEF. How much? Correct. What did you do? 126 minus 90 you did, you got 36 degree. Very good. Next. FGE. FGE. Can anyone tell me how much is this angle? FGE. Think properly.
54.
Very good. 54. 180 minus. 180 minus. This is a straight line. Can you see linear pair? Ulta linear pair. 180 minus 126 you do, you get 54. Sum is over. Any doubts?
Yeah.
Now this only I will write it. First you will figure it out, then you will solve. When I was in 9th standard, 10th standard, directly solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, then we will think ಎಲ್ಲ rubbish ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. First you will think what you should do, then you will start the sum. Okay, so correct ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Can I rub this? Now see here, proof. First we will find this angle GED is equal to angle AGE. Yes or no? Why? Alternate interior angles. So angle AGE is equal to 126 degrees. Any doubts? First one over. Next, I should find this now. GEF. Angle GEF. Angle GEF is equal to this angle. This angle. Angle GEF is equal to angle GED. Angle GED minus angle FED. This whole angle GED minus this angle FED. If you get, you will get this part. Okay. So angle GED is how much? Minus. That is equal to 36. Over. This is your angle. Next, last one. FGE. Okay, angle FGE plus angle AGE is equal to. Okay, angle AGE plus angle EGF or FGE, whatever you want, you take FGE is equal to linear pair. Angle AG is equal to is equal to 50. Any doubts? This is how we find. First, you should know alternate angles, interior alternate, exterior alternate, corresponding angles, vertically opposite. I have taught that in first class only. Here start madina chapter. So open that, read that, then you take the sums. Definitely will get that. Okay. Any doubts? Take it. Can you rub this? This question has appeared many times. Take it as important. Okay, read. Given.
PQ is parallel to ST. Angle PQR is equals to 110. And angle RST is equals to 130 degree. Find angle QRS.
See here. PQ is parallel to ST, it seems. PQ is parallel to ST. Then angle PQR is equal to how much? 110. And angle RST is equal to 130 degree. Any doubts? And I should find this angle. QRS. Here is QRS. Yes. Can anybody tell me how to find? Any idea?
Linear theorem.
How? Which angles?
SRY.
Very good. Okay. See here. Listen properly. If I add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, it will all be equal to. Correct. We have a line. This is a line. XY is a line. If I add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, will be equal to. Okay. So if I find this angle and this angle, my work is over. I can find this. I can find this or no? This angle plus this angle will be equal to. This angle plus this angle it will be equal to. Why? Adjacent angles. In Kanaditi, there are two lines parallel. This is cutting. So this angle plus this angle will be equal to. Getting angle PQR plus angle XYQ is equal to 180 degree. So I will use that proof. Angle PQR plus angle XRQ is equal to linear angle PQR is 110 degree. Sorry. Adjacent angles 110 plus angle XRQ is equal to angle XRQ is equal to 180 minus 110. This is, now it makes sense. 110 plus 70. Correct? Adjacent angles. Similarly, if this is 130, how much will be this? 50 degree. 50 plus 130. 180 degree. Getting? So angle TSR plus angle SRY is equal to 180 degree. TSR is 130 plus angle SRY is equal to 180. Angle SRY is equal to 50 degree. Any doubts? Any doubts how I found? Very, very simple. 110 plus 70, 180, 130 plus 50, 180. If I add this plus this plus this, it should be equal to, already I have 70 plus 50, 70 plus 50, 120, 180 minus 120. So this angle is, ತಿಳಿದ ಏನಾದ್ರು
50 plus 50 plus 70, 170 ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
50 plus
50 plus 70, 180 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 180. 170 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 180.
ಏನ್ ತಿಳಿಯೋಲ್ಪ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು QRS ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ?
Angle QRS 50 plus 70 is 120, 60 degree. Balance. Understood? So angle XRQ plus angle QRS, that I am finding. This I am finding QRS plus angle SRY is all equal to linear. Angle XRQ is 70 degree. You'll find madini. Okay. This I am finding QRS plus this is all equal to angle QRS is equal to direct level right 60 degree. 70 plus 50, 110, 110 you send it here, 180 minus, sorry 120, 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Is it simple? Take it. सीधा कुंदरे, sit straight. Can I rub this? Don't miss this figures. In the figure ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. Can I rub this? Read. Sit quiet. Read.
If AB is parallel to CD,
1 second. AB is parallel to
CD, angle APQ is equals to 50 degree, and angle PRD is equals to 127 degree. Find X and Y.
Where is X?
Q.
X, Y. Very, very simple. So you guys should only tell me. Angle APQ, let's find. APQ is here. This is 50 degree, it seems. Angle PRD is, and I should find X and Y. Can anyone tell me how much is? First tell me how much is Y. Leave Y. First tell me X. Very easy. Y. Kanak start up. Getting. If you are doing geometry, you should start seeing that. This and this is alternate interior angles. Alternate agate. You can see it like this. Alternate agate. Simple. Start up. Okay. So this is already 50 degree. Okay. Next. How much is Y? Y. Correct. This and this is alternating. This and this is alternating. Sit quiet. This is 127 means this whole angle is 127. 127 minus 50. 127 minus 50. 77. Three sum. Okay, that's what I will write now. Let's find. Okay. So this is bar direct sum. Proof. X is equal to 50 directly. Okay. In Bariobali, we'll write the angles. angle APQ. Angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. Why? Alternate interior angles. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. And similarly, we have angle APR. Angle APR is equal to angle PRD. Angle APR, this whole angle, angle APR, this whole angle is equal to PRD. And I can split angle APR. I can split angle APR as angle APQ plus angle APQ plus angle
APR.
angle APQ plus QPR is equal to angle PRD. Clear, Aditi? This angle plus this angle is equal to our whole angle APR. Okay, that I have split here. Angle APQ is this angle I am finding. This is only your y is equal to PRD is y means alternate interior angles. Y is equal to 4. Take it. Any doubts? Any doubts? Take it. Hang it, some sala, these lines and angles. Full simple. Can I rub this? Okay, now see here properly. First, it appears that PQ and RS are what? Parallels. Parallels. That you think. Parallels. They are appearing. Second, see this line and see this line. They appear parallel or no? So this is a line intersecting that. That means this angle will be alternating to. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ABCD. Can I rub this? Read.
PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B, and reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, and reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel to CD.
See here. I said that this is parallel to this in the beginning only. Getting? That only I should prove. When can two lines be parallel? When can I say two lines are parallel? See here. Sit good. Okay. If this line cuts it, okay, if this line is cutting two parallels, if they are parallel, then this will be alternating to this. Yes or no? Alternate angles happen. Interior alternate, exterior alternate, or corresponding angles happen only if the lines are parallel. If lines are like this, hinging adapa, line cut out, will alternate interior happen? Think it will not happen. So if I prove that this whole angle ABC, this angle is equal to this angle, can you see alternate happening here? If I prove this angle is equal to this angle, then AB will be parallel to
C.
Okay, so that is what I am going to do now. And normal light, if this is a mirror, if I leave a ray, it will pass like this. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this is our normal. The incident angle I will be equal to, in physics light chapter, incident angle will be equal to reflected angle. If this is 30 degree, this also will be equal to, both values will be same. So I will name it as ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. I will name this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 will be equal to ತಿಳಿತೈತಿಲ್ಲ? BM is a normal. BM is normal. And your angle 3 will be equal to ತಿಳಿತ? Y means these are mirrors. This is a mirror. This is a mirror. This is also mirror. This is also mirror. Incident angle 1 will be equal to reflected ray 2. Incident angle 3 will be equal to reflected ray. First angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to y. Incident angle equal to reflected angle or ray in rubber. Okay, any doubts? No. First angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. ಎಲ್ಲ equal ಆಯ್ತು. Well, 1 second. Now, okay, think that BM is parallel to this BM. Can you see BM? If BM is parallel to NC, if BM is parallel to NC, angle 2 will be equal to y. Correct? Now, angle 1 is equal to what? Angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to. So ultimately all are equal. If this is 40 degree, this is also 40, 40, 40. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ. ತಿಳಿತೈತಿ? Any doubts how I did? Okay. Since I got BM is parallel to CN, everything worked here. Any doubts? Now, can I write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4? Yes or no? Balanced? Properly balanced? 40 plus 40 will be equal to 40 plus 40. 80 is equal to 80. Balanced. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? Angle AB. Angle AB is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. BC. BCD. Angle 1 plus angle 2 AB. C. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is whole angle 1. BC D. Bantil. This whole angle is equal to this whole angle. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. If angle ABC is equal to BCD, alternate interior angle aatile. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Converse of alternate interior angles. Converse. That's a theorem. I am not getting which theorem it is. A theorem is converse. Any doubts? Leave a stop on both. Thanks, bro. Any doubts? Any doubts? Tridhar? Take it. So here I complete lines and angles, okay?